All right, family, let's go to checkout. Do you want the fancy? That's the only question. That's the only question I have for you, Linda. Are you ready for the fancy pants? Now, Dollar Tree also have these mini waffle cones, and I'm going to give these a go. See how these taste. Okay, family, so I had purchased these, right, from Dollar Tree today, and let me tell you something. If you like strawberries, is strawberry your thing, like a chicken wing? If you like strawberry icing, you know, like on cakes and stuff like that, any strawberry cakes, honey, this is going to be your thing, like a chicken wing. Now, this is the mini waffle cones, and it's about, I want to say 8 in here. I tried to hold off, but my phone needed to charge, honey. And when I tell you these is good, I think it's probably about 2 or 3 left, okay? They filled with the little strawberry frosting inside. I mean, it's so good. Really, really good. Looking for some nails, maybe you and your daughter. Now, my daughter, Amani, she asked me the other day, she said, why don't you buy me nails anymore? I said, listen, Amani, I'm not buying you them because she takes them right off. So what's the use of buying them? But, you know, I may buy her some more this week coming, okay? Because I'm going to get me a few. So it's only right. Check these new nails out. Nails, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have the 12 pieces kids nails. These are so cute. Look at this with the flowers. Absolutely love this. $1.25. They also have these, the checkerboard. Absolutely love this. Honey, they are fancy. Going all out for the kids. And then they also have the flower ones. These are so cute. They also have these color changing nails for the little girls, and it shows you like it's gonna change from this color, changes colors in the sun. Absolutely love this. Oh, child, I didn't see. Ooh. Do you want the fancy? That's the only question. That's the only question I have for you, Linda. Are you ready for the fancy pantsy mancy? And if you are, honey, leave a 2 in the comment section. Did you see these? These are the velvet nails. Honey, yes, Dollar Tree is coming out with velvet nails. You better give it a go, Joe. All right? Now, get into this. This is from B Color. You see this? Oh, it looks so fancy. Really cool. Absolutely love this. Now, 12 pieces for $1.25. This is the magnetic powder finish. Dollar Tree is out here moving their feet to the beat. Right, so Dollar Tree also have this color as well. This is so cute. Honey, get into it. I almost didn't even see these. Okay, almost was walking right past it. These are nice. Very beautiful. Now, Dollar Tree has other nails like these. Now, these are a little too long for me. These are the almond long 12 nails, nail art tips. All right, get into that brown. For some reason, this puts me like in the mind of a butterfly, especially that one right there, the middle. They also have these nails right here. Now, these are absolutely fancy pantsy mancy, the 12 round medium tips. Now, to me, again, they 2 on the long side for me. But, honey, you do what floats your boat. But these are really cute. For $1.25, honey, you can't beat this. Peace, family, peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in West New York on 49th Street. Let's go inside. So as soon as you come in Dollar Tree, they have their vases right here. These vases down at the bottom, they are $3. They also have their flowers over here. Honey, they are doing it out here, styling and profiling. Honey, they're giving you the ideas, letting you know exactly how it's going to look on your table or on your mama table. Now, these bushes, okay, these are $1.25. Absolutely love these. But if you are going with the spring bush like this is like a nice Bush. All right, these are $3. Fancy pantsy mancy. So Dollar Tree definitely is moving their feet to the beat. Now, honey, they brought the LED humidifiers back. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the blue, and also the gray. Absolutely love this, honey. Sway Dollar Tree way. Now, another fave of mine is these glass jars right here with the straws. Absolutely love these. You see how it has the two-tone, honey? This is fancy pantsy mancy. This would make a good basket for your mother, okay, or for whomever. These are $1.25. I absolutely love these. Now, Dollar Tree also have these 14 guest napkins, spring fling. Now, other items that's absolutely amazing is the Stanky Bowl cleaner with bleach. Now, if you are putting anything else in your toilet, okay, any other cleaning solutions like those blue tablets, those blue tabs that you can put in the toilet, the clean the toilet, honey, don't get this, because you ain't gonna really be able to smell the lavender and vanilla. Now, if you just want that to be extra with the tabs, then you can get this. But if you looking to smell the lavender and vanilla, you ain't gonna really be able to smell it. Some other fun items Dollar Tree has is the eyeshadow sticks, okay? And this is Cranberry Shimmer. This is $1.25 from Ayani. This is so cute. Honey, get into it. Now, and I just wish that they would make this into, you see that burgundy? I just wish they would make that into like a lipstick. Honey, a matte lipstick, oh my goodness, that's a treat that's gonna have you move your feet. Now, they also have this eyeshadow stick as well. Now, these eyeshadow sticks, they have olive oil, jojoba oil, blendable, high impact color, long lasting twist up stick. These are $1.25. This one, and this is amethyst shimmer. Honey, look at Dollar Tree, you know, coming up with the crystal names, naming the eyeshadow crystal names. Honey, it don't get fancier than that. Now, Dollar Tree also have these highlighters over here. This is the Revitalizing Stick Champagne. Absolutely love this. They also have the bronzer over here. This is $1.25. Really cute. And then they also have another highlighter stick. This one is called Golden. Honey, cut you golden. So Dollar Tree also have the Care Oil. I have never used this, but when I came over here, I said, this looks a little fancy. Now, this is the Petroleum Creamy. Honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, tell them it's creamy, okay? Not just any type of petroleum jelly. This is the creamy petroleum jelly, okay? With vitamin E enriched. This is $1.25. They also had the Soothing and Cooling Face Stick. You remember a few months ago they had these? Honey, they bringing them back. This is $1.25. Now, when Dollar Tree had these last time, they sold really quick, okay? I still haven't tried this yet. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Hydro Plus Hydrate and Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is $1.25. It's fragrance free. Absolutely love it, and it's from Extra Care. Another item that is, honey, it seems like it's good. Bath and Beauty Marcella Cleansing Water. Okay, all in one. No wrenching, no alcohol, no residue. Gently removes makeup and impurities or skin types, even sensitive. Okay, $1.25. But this collection right here, okay, so this is compared to as an item that Sephora sells, okay? Now, of course, Sephora power toner and stuff like that is going to be way more than $1.25. Now, they have a collection of this right now, and I just see the toner. This is the 3 benefits in one: energize, balance, and resurface. This is $1.25. Now, if you are looking for a multi-peptide anti-aging serum, best-selling, okay? Now, this is compared to Sephora, all right? It says it right on the box. This is $1.25. Reduces appearances of wrinkles, eliminates dark spots and puffiness to reveal an even-toned, radiant look. Nourishes with a breathable film on the skin surface to support elasticity, okay? $1.25. Don't forget to come and get your citronella waistbands at Dollar Tree. These scents last up to 7 days. This is good for keeping the bugs away. All right, family, also remember that Dollar Tree has the watercolor effect nail top coat. These are really, really cute. Now, this is like a purple. They also had this red looking one. Absolutely love this. And then, honey, come through. Be Pure with the plant-based nail polish. One of the things I'm going to say is this, okay? Whenever you see plant-based, you may be like, oh my goodness, it's plant-based. But plant-based be having stuff in there too, okay? Just FYI. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Matte Perfection Nail Top Coat. This is fancy. You know, the packaging, the bottle that they have it in. From Be Pure, $1.25, and this is clear. Items that Dollar Tree has is these Orchid Acne Patches. You get 24 patches for $1.25. This is a steal deal. Honey, I'm telling you, if you was to get this from like Walgreens or Target, you are going to spend way more than that. Now, these patches is for inflammation, any pimples, bumps, cold sores. Honey, this is good for $1.25. Steal deal like Holyfield. Some other fun items Dollar Tree has is the LA Colors. These are really, really cute. I had purchased this green one, and I also brought the Groovy. Honey, I brought this stuff. I used it probably 2 or 3 times, and then it's in the makeup bag, okay? But these are $1.25. I like these. They also have the Fashionista, this purple. I like this purple. This is cute. And then they also have the Intuition is white. Now, I always tell you guys, make sure you follow your intuition, listening to it. Now, this is a matte finish. This one isn't for me, okay? I don't really care for this one. You know, it looks okay, but not with a matte finish. That's just not for me, honey. Now, remember I told you guys that Dollar Tree has the late July chips. These are so good. They sell these at Whole Foods, but they have the bigger bags at Whole Foods. When I tell you, these are so tasty. Now, Whole Foods, they have a ranch bag as well, but at Dollar Tree, they just have the 2 bags. At Whole Foods, they have 3. Now, Dollar Tree has the jalapeno lime, really good, really, really good. And then they also have the nacho cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of each, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and get these cheese doodles. Honey, you remember these back in the day? Honey, yes. Okay, $1.25. Dollar Tree also have this strawberry shortcake, and I was so tempted to get in this, but honey, I ain't getting this. These are $5. Cookies and cream they have, and then also Reese's. When you come to Dollar Tree, make sure you come to the back to see what they have in a freezer section. Okay, like these Reese's peanut butter sandwiches with Reese's peanut butter swirl and packed between 2 chocolate. Oh gosh, child. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This is it, honey. All right, family. So now we have the Reese's ice cream sandwich, and I taste a little bit. For some reason, I don't know. You know how dirt smell? Okay. I don't know if this makes sense, but this tastes the way dirt smell. I don't know. I just taste the ice cream. I didn't taste the, you know, the actual chocolate part yet. Now it tastes like coffee. Man, will I buy this again? It's just not my cup of tea. You know, it's just not my cup of tea. And I like Reese's, you know, but this just not it. Have you guys ever tried the smoked Gouda? Now, these are Pop Daddy pretzels, hand seasoned in small batches, made with flavors so bold as lip smacking, finger licking goodness and crunch. Honey, they sure know how to seduce you, okay? They also have the cinnamon sugar over here. Now, I'm going to try these and see what they hitting for. Let's see if they taste good or not. Next item up, we have the pretzel with the Gouda, smoked Gouda. Now, these, I wanted to get these so bad because I said I wonder how they taste, and they are called the Pop Daddy pretzels. Let's give it a try. So, soon as you open a bag, honey, you can smell the seasoning on these. Soon as you open a bag. Now, it tastes like smoky, like bacon to me. Of course, you know, you taste the pretzels, but it has like seasoning on here, like something smoked, and I guess because smoked Gouda, so they didn't lie when they said that. Now, would I buy these again? I mean, I'm not a big fan of them. But definitely smoked Gouda. If you love Gouda cheese, love smoked Gouda, and you like pretzels, it's gonna be a thing like a chicken wing. It's gonna be a thing. And they ain't lying when they say they are seasoned. These chips, they are seasoned. Well, pretzels, they are seasoned to perfection. Now, in my opinion, these are a little salty to me. You know, just a tad bit. They're a little salty. I guess because the salt from the pretzels and then the seasoning that they put on here, they're a little salty. Would I buy these again? Probably not. And I'm also going to go in with the honey roasted peanuts, $1.25.